This new construction home is just around the corner from the Port 27, which is the very hype right now here in Orlando, West Florida. And also this community itself is just brand new. They are pre-selling, they have a quick move-in home. And also what good about the Port 27 is they have a lot of activities, not just for kids or adults. They have a dining restaurant there. Kids can play on the sand, you can play a jet ski there, they have a band, live band, and also you can have some drink. And also what I love about this new construction home here is this community here is a lot of water view or pond view. So when you pick a lot that you would like to build your new construction home or a move-in ready, you can have a pond view. I'm super excited to show you this new construction home. So are you ready to see and own this beautiful new construction home here in Central Florida? Let's go check it out. Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you quick. My nickname is RJ, your favorite incredible realtor. I am specializing in new construction around here in Central Florida. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Welcome to Ponte Verde by DRV Homes, and this particular new construction home is about 4 to 5 bedroom. All right, this is gonna be the model home. You can build this from the scratch or from the ground, and you can modify it and you can have 4 or 5 bedrooms, whatever you like or whatever you need. Next is this is gonna be a 3 bathroom, over 2,300 square footage, and this is gonna be have a 2-car garage. This particular model, as you can see it here inside, you will have a great open concept floor plan. As we are in right now, we are in the kitchen area or living room area. You will have a very good setup here. Even though like you can build this, you can have some extra bedroom upstairs if you would like to, and also you will have a great kitchen area here. This particular kitchen, you will have a center island here, a large deep sink, and also a great future here in the kitchen. And this is gonna be your living area, your living space area. Is a very good space area. And as soon as you come out here, this is gonna be your backyard or your covered patio. By the way, as you can see it here, you will have a pavers here or brick pavers. This brick pavers is an upgrade. You can have this, copy it, or you can put something in there that you like, okay? However, this particular location, they have a lot of water view. If you want to have a lot of water view, this location is perfect for you, because particularly this location itself, they are located in Winter Haven. If you don't know, or if you're not familiar with Winter Haven is a great community. The house prices here are not that expensive. It's just because this particular location is a little bit drive if you are going to Orlando, Florida, like the Orlando downtown. So basically, if you are going to live here, all your basics necessity will be here. It doesn't mean like if you are going to live here, you will not get anything that you need. All right, let me explain to you what you will get in this particular location, so that once you move here or once you come here, you will be familiar in Winter Haven. The first like I would like to talk about here is the downtown Winter Haven. This is about 10 minutes, 4 miles away. So if you're not familiar with downtown Winter Haven, you can do a lot of stuff like shopping area there, or you can have a relax. They have some restaurant there that you can visit or you can eat. You know, there's a lot of things to do in Winter Haven downtown. So this is about just 10 minutes away from this particular community itself. The next one that I would like to talk about here are the schools. A lot of people asking me, what is the school? Are the schools are great? And also, how far are the school around this area? So particularly, let me talk about the Garner Elementary School. This is about 10 minutes away, 4.8 miles on this particular location. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Denison Middle School. This is about 10 minutes away, 4.6 miles away. And the next one that I would like to talk about here is the Winter Haven High School, which is 12 minutes away and 5.4 miles away. So particularly all the school, if you need around this area, they are just about 10 minutes or less than 15 minutes away from this community itself. So very convenient if you have kids or children that needs to go to school from elementary to high school. Here you go. They are just around the corner from this community itself. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Legoland. Legoland is about 20 minutes, 9.4 miles away from the community itself here. So if you have kids, obviously they would like to go to theme park. Instead of going to Disney World theme park, you can go to Legoland, and they also have a Peppa Pig there, which is about a great theme park for your kids to visit and have fun in the theme park, right? However, if you want to go to Disney World is about 40 minutes away from this community itself, and I would presume it's about 15 miles away from the community, so which is still not far away. However, the closest one is the Legoland. The next one that I would like to talk about here is the Walmart Supercenter. We need supermarket, right? Walmart Supercenter here is about 12 minutes, 6.9 miles away from the community itself. It's very convenient. And of course, what my favorite part here is the Port 27. Yes, I mentioned about Port 27. If you haven't been to Port 27, this is the chance that you're going to visit there. And this is about 9 minutes away, 5.6 miles. So which is around the corner from the community itself. And this particular location as well is not far from the US 27. If you're not familiar about Winter Haven and also Davenport area or Haines City, US 27 is the main road we're connecting to Haines City, Davenport, I-4, or if you're going south more here down in Winter Haven, you will have Dundee there, and you will have like towards to Vero Beach. So US 27 is the main highway connecting all this particular location itself, and the Port 27 or US Port 27 is the new hangout around this area, and there's a lot of people that who goes there. You can bring your kids there and they can have fun. They have a lot of activities for kids, not just for kids, for adult as well. They have some jet ski there, they have a live bands there, they have multiple restaurant, even though food truck that you can pick and choose, and also you can have some fun and drinks there as well. So there's so much things going on around this area. So at this moment, this particular builder, they are pre-selling all this new construction home that they have. They have an inventory home, or you can build it from the ground, which I mentioned earlier. Whichever you prefer, they do have a lot of buyer incentive in those quick moving homes. When we say quick moving homes, these are the homes that you can move in within 30 to 60 days. You don't have to build it, because once you build the home, it will take about 4 months up to 12 months. So if you need to move in straight away, you don't have a timeline, or you cannot wait, they can cater you and you can get a lot of buyer incentives right now. So if you need more information about this new construction home, feel free to come to me or inbox me all my social media so that I can help you. And if this particular new construction is not the best fit, I do have a lot of inventory here that I can show you, which I am hoping that it will fit in your criteria or your home search. This is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful and useful. If you stay in this video until this end, comment down below new home so I could see how many people who watch our video until this end. I appreciate your time. And also, if you don't know, we upload every Thursday at 3 p.m. a new VIP tour or something like this. So make sure to subscribe and also share this video to all your family and friends, especially for those who would like to move here in Central Florida or Orlando area and live in a new construction home or something like this. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for now. Peace. Polonisichi. 8. Whew, that's good. Bye.